Hey y'all, it's Cass. Welcome back to my channel if you're OG. Welcome to my channel if you're new. We talk all about DIY content creation. And today, you guys, we're trying some different lighting setups. I'm always hesitant when it comes to lighting because I don't know. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. I honestly can never tell till I get into editing. But today we're going to do some DIY photo shoots with a bunch of different lighting concepts and setups. Just basically me playing around with all the lights that I have. I'll link all the lights, any equipment that I'm using below so you guys can check it out if you would like. But let's get into the video. Hey you guys, so today we're going to do some lighting setups. This is the look for today. I still don't know how to properly lay a wig, but luckily we can cover that in editing. But anyways, this is the look. I'm going for like kind of, I don't know, I always say Kim Possible whenever I'm wearing cargo pants, and then I just like wet this wig here, which I really like when it looks wet. Love how the face came out, so we're gonna take some pics. Got my rings on today. Girls ready. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you guys some kind of cool lighting setups that maybe you'd be interested in trying, or at least inspired you to go out, shoot, play around with lighting. Obviously, different lighting can create whole different moods and setups when it comes to shoots. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See y'all for the next one.